Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about SEC rejects Apple and Disney's request to exclude AI reports, fostering continuous education for AI workers, Ludhiana Police installs dashboard cameras for law and order, CMF by Nothing launches Silver Edition Watch Pro, BanQ launches GV31 portable projector in India, app download and revenue insights for India, OnePlus Ace 3 features and availability at GitStop and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. The US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) rejects request from Apple and Disney to exclude calls for reports on their use of artificial intelligence (AI) from their annual meetings. Proposals filed by a pension trust of the AFL-CIO, the largest American labor union federation, expressing concerns about AI replacing creative and professional workers unfairly. AFL-CIO has similar AI measures pending at 4 other technology companies advocating for transparency, consent, and compensation in AI systems. SEC's decisions may lead to agreements with Apple and Disney aligning them with AI disclosures of companies like Microsoft. Next, we have despite concerns about AI's impact on jobs, there is potential to foster continuous education and upskilling initiatives. Experts suggest focusing on developing human-AI partnership for enhanced productivity and creativity. In India, concerns about deepfake videos lead to the Ministry of Electronics and IT issuing an advisory for compliance with IT rules. A study by ServiceNow and Pearson indicates that 16.2 million Indian workers need to reskill or upskill for the AI and automation wave. Industry insiders believe that AI's potential positive impact outweighs negatives if development is guided responsibly. Ludhiana Police installs dashboard cameras in PCR vehicles to enhance law and order monitoring. Cameras have a 64 GB storage capacity, providing approximately 7 days of data retention equipped with speed radar technology. Cameras also record incident of corruption and mistreatment by police personnel during duty. Initiative aims to monitor incidents involving anti-social elements within the city and provide valuable evidence to senior officials. CMF by Nothing introduces the silver edition of its Watch Pro, featuring an aluminum alloy watch frame in a silver finish and light grey straps. The smartwatch offers a 1.96-inch touch color AMOLED curved display, sensor, Bluetooth connectivity, and supports multiple navigation systems. IP68 dust and water resistant with a 340 mAh battery and 13-day battery life, the silver edition will be available in India through retailers like Flipkart, Myntra, Croma, Vijay Sales, and Journal Trade. BanQ launches the GV31 portable projector in India, featuring Full HD 1080p resolution up to 4K and 135-degree projection angle. Designed for young consumers, integrated with Android TV and pre-installed Netflix for convenient entertainment. Integrated audio provide up to 16-watt 270-degree 2.1 channel sound with extended bass. The projector can function as a wireless speaker with a battery life of up to 3 hours for video playback or 6 hours for music. Next up, we have Indians downloaded 25.96 billion apps in 2023, slightly lower than the 28 billion downloads in 2022. Combined revenues from various apps stores India amounted to $415 billion. Gaming dominated downloads, followed by social and photo video apps, finance, entertainment, shopping, business, education, productivity, and lifestyle apps. Google retained its position as the most popular app in India, followed by Instagram, Reliance Jio, Flipkart, WhatsApp, and Meta. In e-commerce, Meesho led with 35.8 million active users, and in OTT entertainment, Disney Plus Hotstar had 67 million users. At last, OnePlus Ace 3 boasts a 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, providing a captivating visual experience. The display features a 120Hz refresh rate and a 360Hz touch sampling rate, ensuring seamless navigation. HDR10 Plus support and a 100% DCI P3 color gamut enhance multimedia experience, offering vibrant and high quality visuals. Available now at Gift of the OnePlus Ace 3 start at a competitive price of $499. Color options include black, rose gold, and blue, providing users with a variety of choices. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and equipped with 12GB, 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, the device excels in multitasking and smooth performance. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।